What are you doing to my beanbag? Are you digging my beanbag? I heard you dig. What did you say to me? You're not meant to be digging that. Are you? You got a fluffy neck. Your tufts coming out. Did you need some attention? Yeah. You need some attention? Alright. Where are you going? Like a fish out of water. What's your problem? You got beef? You got beanbag beef? Is it because all of your toys are taking up your beanbag? What are they doing? Ugh. Gross. You could chuck them out your beanbag and then you could use that one. I'm pretty sure you put them there. Look at them all. That's all sitting in your beanbag, aren't they? There was something under here. Look who's in your beanbag.
Oh no.
We're in your beanbag. We're not leaving. It's comfy over here. It's comfy in your beanbag. How comfy is it in my beanbag? Oh dear. You're staring at Jeff. What? What are you moaning for? Jeff, I just wanted to just lay in your beanbag. Boop. Boop in here. Too quick. No, his tongue, no, his tongue, no, his tongue, no, his tongue. Oh, snoots together. That's cute. Oh dear, sorry. Did that tickle? Did it tickle your snoot? It did. Oh, you got beanbag beef again. What are you doing? What are you doing? Not right. Oh. You trying to get me out of the beanbag? I'm not going. Not if you want me to. What? You're getting under the beanbag. I'm on it, so I don't think you're going to get under it. You have to get under me. I'm out. Made a nice nest for you. You want to get in that nest? Yeah? So I pre-stomped it for you.